All right, after watching the YouTube or the Sergeant, the Pfaff 1222 loose hook bushing repair, where he had filed down here a little flat, punched, drilled and tapped 6/32 stainless steel screw, set screw to position the bushing. There's a bushing on each side that holds and centers this gear. This whole shaft has some screws underneath where to adjust, but with the hook and the needle, the specs. But this is like I suspected. Let's see if I can do this. All right, now we're moving. Now we're moving, but with way too much force than need be. But I put a little more oil on. I'm going to let this soak up before I disassembled, because this is a righty-loosey, lefty-tighty screw over here. So that screw, that's not coming off. I have to figure out how do I jam this hook from moving without damaging anything. So I'm going to let this soak overnight. I'll probably pop this back up here. Your head set, and go from there. But yeah, so finally moving with a hand wheel, but way tighter than I want to be, especially being that hand wheel or balance wheel, I think it's called actually, of this machine, being plastic, leather, nylon, or whatever they are, gears in this machine. I don't want to damage anything. But yeah, it's cool fun getting that cover off. Oh, that actually took 2 screws. So I was having a challenge getting that door, that hook cover door off, and I only saw the 1 screw. Then the Sergeant video mentioned 2, and I looked in there further. I'm like, oh crap, there's another screw. So I took that off, and I was able to get with the screw, and then wiggle back and forth. Hopefully, well, originally I was actually trying to take the screw off, but then the whole assembly started moving. There's a little play back and forth though. So I noticed a little bit. I don't know if that's good. That's probably a sign this bushing might have worked its way loose. And I need to um, press those bushings in and out. So with that gapped, uh, this gear gapped on this side. So that bushing on this side's pushing over enough. I think that's right. So I don't know. Anyways, we're moving, so it's unseized. I'll read again, read, and maybe watch some more videos, see if I missed anything, and move forward with getting this Pfaff 1222 back in service. Stay tuned. Bye for now.